Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Summit E16 Flip A13V laptop. So friend, MSI unveiled two models of the Summit E16 Flip A13V series, a 16-inch notebook PC with a 360-degree flip LCD on 11 January. And the key features of this notebook include a high refresh rate LCD panel boasting 165Hz and WQXGA resolution of 2560 by 1600 dots, and additionally MSI included its original active stylus, the MSI Pen, facilitating pen-based touch interaction and powering this laptop in an Intel Core i7 1360V processor featuring 4 P cores and 8 E cores alongside the potent GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU. And this configuration caters to a wide range of applications spanning from business tasks to demanding creative work involving 3D graphics. And friend, the Summit E16 Flip A13V series offers two distinct models: the Summit E16 Flip A13V FT 4089GB with the spacious 1TB SSD, and the Summit E16 Flip A13V FT 903GB equipped with the 512GB SSD, and the memory capacity is set at 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring efficient multitasking. And friend, the connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for robust wireless communication. On the interface front, you will find a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A and HDMI, and the audio combo jack. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.